I've been making these tall cakes for quite some time, and I get a lot of questions from everybody as to how do you cut them? Well, here's the answer.
Okie dokie, artichoke, hokey pokey, no jokey. I've got a cake cutting video for you guys today. I'm just putting it out there though. It's pretty boring. It's just me slicing up a cake, and then I eat a little bit at the end. So spoiler alert. But you can see that I'm cutting it acrossways instead of in wedges. And then laying the whole slice down and then slicing it into 4 or sometimes 8, depending on how big you want your serves to be. I would definitely cut a cake this way if I was tasked with the task at a party or something. It just divides up the best, it's the neatest, and it goes the furthest as well. So if you're trying to serve a few more people. But yeah, like I said, pretty boring vid. Wish I could say that something interesting happens, but it doesn't. It's just a plate of cake. And then, yeah, like I said, I ate some. Cherry chocolate mud for anyone wondering. Catch you later.
Hello loves, this is how you cut a cake to get the most out of the serving. This is a 6-inch cake and I say it feeds around 12 people, if not more, safely. So you cut across and then you just cut down however many serving sizes that you want. Whoever wants more cream can get a corner piece, and whoever wants more filling can get a middle piece. You can even cut those in half to serve more people. And people can come back for seconds.